Are you tired of struggling with your exams? Do you find it difficult to understand complex topics? Do you have very less time to prepare for them? Introducing the first of its kind study guidebook in India, this interactive guidebook is specially designed to help you excel in your exams. It's packed with incredible features that will change the way you study. Inside the book, you'll find topic-wise solutions to previous year question papers explained in simple and easy to understand language. But that's not all. There's much more than just questions and answers. Features like our online quizzes enhance your learning experience and test your knowledge on what you read in the book. Every lesson has its own animated video that summarizes complex topics into simple and interesting explanations. The guidebook also provides you with the question paper pattern, an example of a solved question paper, and a special list of the most repeated questions from previous exams, giving you a clear understanding of what to expect. With all these amazing features, this interactive study guidebook is your all-in-one tool to learn better and get great marks in your exams. You can get the hard copy book delivered in just 3 to 5 days, or read the soft copy online on your favorite devices, anytime and anywhere. So go ahead and buy worry-free because you're covered under our 200% refund guarantee. We are confident that our books will help you succeed. Get yours now from Amazon, Flipkart or our official website.